we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, as well as how to say more interesting words in English. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is said as ecological niche. Ecological niche. In American English, however, this is normally said as ecological niche. Ecological niche. Pretty straightforward once you know. Ecological niche or ecological niche. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.